anything.
Still shaking, no, look down there.
You can do anything.
See one. I'm gonna scream.
Nice.
Oh, spiders!
Right, so we're in the garden. We've got a lot to do in here. Full of rubbish, full of shed bits, what used to be a massive shed here. So I'm just getting a fire going, filling up my brown bins and getting all the rubbish out and clearing it up. I'm going to have a shed at the bottom and some lovely seating area and get some nice wildlife coming and get rid of them bird shit trees. It's gonna take a while. Well, it's half a day, 2 o'clock, started at 9:30. We've got quite a lot cleared. Nearly out of breath. Got most of the trees cleared anyway. Got the fire going still. I'm still working away. So, we've done loads in the garden. Loads been cleared. Loads of the trees been cleared. All off my neighbour's fence. I'll get all this moved. Burnt. And get all them sheets moved as well. Dave.
What?
Meet YouTube. Dave. Say hello. The two Daves. Like the two Ronnies. Day 2. Out in the garden. Just a few hours. We've got a lot of burnt and a lot done. Still loads to do, loads to burn, and I think there's a beehive under there, under the big bit, so I don't know what to do about that. But it's getting clearer, getting better now. Get rid of all that rubbish down at the tip. And that's done. Awesome stuff. Got the little rabbits in the garden. I think they've noticed the food. Little rabbit. There's your little friend. Hi, baby. Come back. Come back, little rabbit. You come back. We're on a slant a little bit. but we're going to be making a bird box and also 2 wishing wells. I've already started. This is what we are. We've got loads of little pieces. Let's get cracking. Right guys, so today I've had my trees took down, but a Karen of a neighbour has told the people that are doing the trees that they can't take that one down, so I'm going to go and have it out with her right now. Hiya, is your mum in, or
My mum?
or the lady from the house? Yeah, just with regards to the trees.
Alright, yeah.
Hiya, I'm just letting you know that the trees are going to be coming down in the morning. I don't know why you tried to stop the work going ahead, but the trees are coming down in the morning. But I do, they're in my garden.
They're not in your garden.
They're in my garden.
I think you might find that they're not your garden.
They're in my garden.
I've got the deeds, and some of that, especially where the thing is, where my washing line goes, my garden goes back to there.
Well, if you want to get that by the morning, then that's fine. But they're coming down because they're in my garden. And I don't want them. They're not being looked after. They're not being maintained. So they need chopping down.
They're just chopping down.
They're just bird shit trees. It's what when the bird lands shit, it just grows and they're just rubbish.
The thing is,
if you want a tree, you'd have to get a proper tree.
And it's private. It makes the garden.
Yeah, I know,
private.
and that's why.
I don't want.
It's bird shit trees, so you need proper trees putting down. But I do. So they need maintaining. If you want them there, then I'm going to have to chop them and let them fall.
No,
my side of it, because it's in my garden. I'm pulling all that down.
Thing is, you should have come round and mentioned this without
I've been chopping the trees down. It's all in my garden, so I'm doing my garden up.
It's not.
It's going ahead in the morning. No, so if you want to produce something that says my garden is your garden, then that's fine. But it's going ahead and the trees are coming down. It's coming down in the morning. Back in the garden. Trees are all down. Time to get them in the bins. Let's get to work. Oh guys, as you can see, we've had a little bit of sunshine, so we've done a little bit more in the garden. Got all this chopped up. And then we've still got the mound of trees here to battle through, and then the mound of trees over that side to battle through. I haven't got a path to get to the other trees, the stumps, to put the sand in to kill them off. So we've got a lot of work yet to be done, but some more is going to be getting done tomorrow. So I'll keep you updated. And we've still got bees in the garden, I believe, just underneath a bit of them trees. We've got all this cleared up now. We've only got one little bit left of the old original shed, which was all the way around here, all over here. massive shed, might as well have been an house. But yeah, I've got some work to do. Please smash a like, and if you are new, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Oh, we're out in the garden again, getting a fire going. Got rid of another pile just there. I need to get rid of all that polystyrene, them, and then we've got all along the tree line. Need to get rid of all this. So let's get the fire burning. On the go again. Need to get rid of all this rubbish here. And all this rubbish here. We're burning this for now. Let's go. As well, wow. All the rubbish there. Oh, nearly fell over then. All this cleared, I've started on the back bit here. Along here. Went upstairs for my phone, and then that's where I've just pulled that big bit of tree out from. Get in the window. Right, take you back in the back garden, guys. Here we have it. So it's raining now, so work has stopped. We've got all these bricks laid out. I think I've shown you these. Got a few more there. All the rubbish laid out, ready to go. Fire's still hot. Still going a little bit. Still warm. And then got all this here. Let's take you up. Oh, it is muddy. It drapes in mud back in. Oh dear. I've got some good little bits here that I want to make some stuff out, so I've kept them to one side. And we've cleared up a little bit more here. Put some stuff down on the trees. Salts to kill them off. It's looking better now. Don't forget to smash that like, guys. We're out in the garden again today. I'm painting these. I'm going to make these into little planters and a bird feeder. Sorted out all, so I don't need these. I can make some things out of these, or burn them, or give them away. I'm going to be using them ones and the logs, and them ones at the back there for the shed. All this needs to go. These logs I'm using now as well, and all that rubbish needs to go. My path that I started making yesterday. It's coming on really well though, isn't it? So we've done the clean up, more or less. Just got that to get rid of. So I'm going to show you how we've got up to. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. Really appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll come back to you with further updates. Thanks for watching.